Hello everybody, today we're going to be reacting character and new channel name by aumsum. Okay, let's go into it. Oh. Okay. Let's get.
Hi guys! Whoa, what a response! So many cool names! But none of you could guess my actual name. Never mind. Here it comes. My name is aumsum. Isn't it awesome? Also, we have a brand new name for our channel. It's aumsum time. It's aumsum time. What if blue color disappeared?
Yeah, what?
Oh no, I just bought blue lenses for my eyes.
Oh, aumsum. Firstly, blue jeans are extremely popular worldwide. If blue color disappeared, people will have to look for other dressing alternatives. Secondly, if blue color disappeared, the magnificent blue sky will not be visible anymore. Professional photographers will surely miss it. Thirdly, if blue color disappeared, beaches will also lose their charm. Tourism may suffer. Fourthly, if blue color disappeared, artists who love to use different shades of blue color in their paintings may give up painting altogether. Fifthly, if blue color disappeared, rainbows will suddenly start looking rather incomplete. Sixthly, if blue color disappeared, tests written using blue-colored ink will also disappear. Teachers will have a tough time evaluating them. Lastly, if blue color disappeared, lavish swimming pools may not be visible anymore. Five-star hotels may lose their charm. What if black color disappeared?
Oh no, now how will I show off my majestic black hair?
Oh, aumsum. Firstly, if black color disappeared, people who like to dress in black will be severely disappointed. Secondly, if black color disappeared, people having black colored hair may be left dumbfounded as their hair will not be visible anymore. Thirdly, if black color disappeared, people owning expensive black cars will not be able to show off anymore. Fourthly, if black color disappeared, people suffering from ophidiophobia, as in fear of snakes, as well as arachnophobia, as in fear of spiders, may get terrified as black snakes and spiders will not be visible anymore. Fifthly, if black color disappeared, dark black rain clouds will not be visible anymore. Predicting rainfall may get more difficult. Lastly, if black color disappeared, coal will not be visible anymore. Coal mines may have to shut down. What if green color disappeared?
Oh no, I just painted my hair green.
Oh, aumsum. Firstly, if green color disappeared, green leaves will become invisible. Green cover of cities will suddenly vanish. Secondly, if green color disappeared, forests will suddenly start looking extremely different. Thirdly, if green color disappeared, plants may not be able to perform photosynthesis anymore. World may face a severe food crisis. Fourthly, if green color disappeared, health-conscious people who eat salads containing green leafy vegetables will be extremely disappointed. Fifthly, if green color disappeared, grass will also become invisible. Golf courses will not appear that attractive anymore. Sixthly, if green color disappeared, tennis balls will not be visible anymore. Different colored balls may have to be used. Lastly, if green color disappeared, gardens will suddenly start looking rather incomplete. People may stop visiting them. What if red color disappeared?
Oh no, I was thinking of coloring my hair red.
Oh, aumsum. Firstly, if red color disappeared, signals will stop showing red-colored stop sign. People will not stop at signals anymore. Secondly, if red color disappeared, rainbows will start looking incomplete. Thirdly, if red color disappeared, artists will be super disappointed as they will have to work without one of their favorite colors. Fourthly, if red color disappeared, doctors as well as nurses will be super confused as human blood will start looking transparent instead of red. Fifthly, if red color disappeared, it will be difficult to recognize roses, apples, cherries, tomatoes, as well as red chilies. Sixthly, if red color disappeared, lipstick industry might suffer as red color is one of the best-selling colors. Lastly, if red color disappeared, people whose favorite color is red will be mightily disappointed. What is color blindness?
A color festival.
No, color blindness or color deficiency is a vision problem. Now, our eyes have light-sensitive cells called rods and cones.
Can I put ice cream on these cones?
Oh, you are just unbelievable. Rods are responsible for black and white vision. They do not detect color, whereas cones detect color. There are 3 types of cones. One cone perceives red light, another perceives green, and the third perceives blue. Together, these cones help us to see the whole spectrum of colors. Now, in some cases, when one or more types of cones do not work properly, it causes color blindness. People with such deficiency have difficulty in distinguishing between certain colors or shades. For example, in red-green color blindness, the apple tree may appear like this. What is the color of a mirror? Silver, silver, silver! Nah. The color of an object depends on which color it reflects. If an object reflects blue, it appears blue. If it reflects all colors, it appears white. Now, a mirror reflects almost all colors, so that means its color should be white, just like snow, right? But it's not. Snow scatters light in all directions, making it appear white. But the mirror doesn't reflect light the same way. It reflects light at the same angle and direction from which it arrives. This is called specular reflection. Thus, it creates an image of whatever is in front of it. Now, mirrors best reflect light at wavelengths between 495 and 570 nanometers. The wavelengths in this range appear green to us. We can observe this when 2 mirrors face each other. In this case, the same image is reflected back and forth, making green color prominent. Can you hear colors or see sounds?
No, but I can eat cakes and watch a movie at the same time.
Alright, now listen. There is a real condition called synesthesia in which the stimulation of one sense triggers an automatic, involuntary experience in another sense. So, when synesthetes hear different tones, they may see different colors, or when they see or think certain words, they may experience taste of food items. Some of them may even associate letters, numbers, or words with colors. We don't actually know why this happens, but researchers think that when we are born, we have more connections between the sensory areas of the brain. However, as we mature, most of the connections are blocked or pruned so that we experience the senses separately. But in some people, these connections don't get pruned efficiently, so they may experience 2 or more senses simultaneously. What if you fall into quicksand?
No problem. I am quicker than quicksand.
Oh, sorry. Quicksand is a waterlogged mixture of sand, clay, and salt. It is a non-Newtonian fluid. That is, it changes its thickness or viscosity depending on the stress applied on it. So, an undisturbed quicksand appears and acts like a solid. But when we step on it, our weight increases the stress. Hence, it starts behaving like a liquid, thus causing us to sink. However, we will not fully sink into quicksand. Why? Firstly, because quicksand is usually not very deep. Secondly, it is believed that quicksand is a bit denser than humans. So what? In an experiment, experts prepared aluminum beads which had similar density as humans. When they placed those beads in quicksand and moved them to mimic the action of a panicked human, the beads sank, but only halfway, thus indicating that we will not completely sink in quicksand.
It's aumsum time.
Why are tigers orange in color?
Simple. I painted them orange.
Oh, aumsum.
To buy aumsum merchandise, visit aumsum.com.
Humans are trichromats, as in their eyes can process red, green, as well as blue colors. Hence, to humans, the tiger appears orange in color. But deers are dichromats, as in their eyes can only process green and blue colors. This effectively makes them colorblind. Now, this actually helps the deers to see better in dim light, but because of this, the tiger appears green to the deer. Now, this proves to be advantageous for the tiger as it creates an effective camouflage for him. His green color matches with the background, thus making it harder for the deer to detect the tiger. Hence, tigers have evolved to become orange in color. Why are giraffes so tall?
Because they pull each other's necks and legs.
Nah. Some scientists believe that being tall helps giraffes feed on leaves which are present at greater heights. As shorter herbivores are not able to reach those heights, it decreases the competition for food. Another study suggests that a giraffe's long neck is evolved to compete or fight for females. Male giraffes whip their neck and swing their heads violently into each other's ribs and neck. This is called necking. The giraffe having longer neck tends to win, and hence is preferred by the female giraffe. A study also suggests that as the legs of giraffes got longer, their necks also gradually got longer, so that they could easily drink water by bending their necks. Some people also think that being tall helps giraffes spot approaching predators, while some others believe that being tall gave them a larger surface area, thus helping them regulate their body temperature. Do animals live longer than humans?
No, only I have the potion of eternal life.
All right. Now listen. When we are young, our cells divide rapidly to replace the old dying cells. They even fight against diseases and help us remain healthy. However, as we begin to age, the cells cannot efficiently divide and fight against diseases. Thus, eventually our lifespan begins to come to an end. Now, it is believed that animals live longer because of the environments they live in. For example, animals that live in cold oceans have slow metabolic rates. According to a study, slow metabolic rate slows down the aging process, thus making those animals live longer. For example, Greenland sharks, which are found in cold Arctic oceans, can live up to 400 years. In addition to this, it is observed that the size of an animal also plays a role in determining its lifespan. Smaller the animal, more are the number of predators. Hence, the risk of dying early is high. Thus, animals like mice have a lifespan of about 1 to 2 years as compared to elephants, whose lifespan is about 60 years. However, animals like bats and some other birds are an exception to this size rule. Even though they are small, they don't die early and live a longer life because they have evolved strong defense mechanisms. Moreover, it is also observed that some species which breathe fewer times per minute seem to live longer. For example, the tortoise, which takes about 4 to 5 breaths per minute, lives for more than 100 years, while a dog, which takes about 24 breaths per minute, lives for approximately 10 to 20 years. Also, according to a study, very small species of animals like flies and worms lack the cells which divide and replace the old ones. Hence, they don't live a long life.